Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing to the exact course you want and confirming instructor credibility. This reduces waste. Once done, sign in so Udemy shows personalized pricing and saved payment options, which speeds checkout. Make sure to open any coupon sources, promo emails, official bundles, or deal extensions, because discounts vary. You want price signals before you click buy. This early work prevents overpaying and positions you to apply the best discount when you reach checkout. You add the course to your cart and inspect the price. Sometimes site sales are already applied. Then try available coupon codes, paste one, hit apply, and watch the total drop. If you have a bundle offer, activate it now because bundles override single course discounts. Also use a reliable browser extension to cross-check historical low prices. If the extension shows a lower past price, pause and wait or contact support. These steps ensure the discount actually lowers the final charge. You complete payment with the saved method and immediately check for a receipt and an access link. Once paid, go to My Learning and open the first lecture to confirm enrollment. This verifies the discount applied to the correct course. If access fails or a coupon didn't apply, clear your browser cache or try an incognito window and reapply the code, because sessions can block price updates. If problems persist, contact Udemy support with your order ID and screenshot for a quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.